I am giving you today a recipe of hot dog buns that goes great with some German sausages. This recipe is perfect for your next grilling party. These buns are delicious, soft and easy to make, and they go great with any hot dog recipe. Enjoy! Pour in the bowl of a stand mixer 275 grams or 1¼ cups of water. Add 60 grams or 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil or vegetable oil. Add 100 grams or 2 large eggs. These eggs have been previously beaten. Add 100 grams or 1/3 cup of sourdough starter. Add 125 grams or 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 375 grams or 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 8 grams or 1 tablespoon of malt syrup or molasses. This will help to get a richer caramel color on your buns and improve flavor. Use the hook attachment and knead the dough for about 30 minutes or until it is soft and elastic as this one. Finish kneading the dough on your working table. You will notice that this dough is a little bit tacky, and that's because of all the whole wheat flour that we are adding to this recipe. So, sprinkle enough flour on top of the dough and use a dough scraper to make a ball with your dough. Transfer the dough to a greased bowl. Perform a couple of stretches and folds and cover the dough with plastic wrap or a plastic lid. Let the dough proof in a warm place for about 4 hours or until it doubles in size. After 4 hours, your dough should look like this one. So, take it out of your bowl. Look at all those bubbles. This dough looks ready. Dust some flour on top of the dough. Make a ball again with your flour hands and divide the dough in 8 equal pieces. Make balls with the pieces of dough and cover them with a towel for 10 minutes so the dough relaxes and it is easier to shape. To shape the buns, take a bowl of dough. Sprinkle enough flour on your working table, your hands and your dough, and press the dough on the top. Bring one of the sides of the dough to the center and do the same with the other side. Turn the dough around and roll the dough on the table to give it the final shape. Place the buns on a prepared baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat and cover them with a plastic lid or a plastic wrap for about 2 hours or until they double in size. Place the buns in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes or until they are golden brown. As soon as you take these buns out of the oven, brush them with melted butter on top and you'll be ready to use them for your best hot dog recipes. These whole wheat hot dog buns have a delicious wheat intense flavor. They are very soft and delicious, and they go great with some German sausages. Like this delicious hot dog that I am making with some spicy mustard, a grilled German sausage, some classic sauerkraut, and a little more of that spicy mustard on top. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new video every week.